Yo, what's good? Got a quick trade recap today. Market recap. I'm sorry. Didn't take any trades today. Today, just a market recap. Nothing's really happening. We're getting close to the end of the year, so not really expecting too much to happen, and that's kind of why I just sat out. I hopped on the charts this morning. I woke up. I slept in a little bit. I woke up at like 6:15, and it's just hopped on the charts and nothing really happened. Nothing really to see. So, quickly going over it. I'll start with Euro USD. So 4 hour was bearish going into market open. We were going down. 4 hour. What can we see here? 4 hour was clearly bearish. We didn't confirm up, so I was just in a bearish mindset. So looking at the 30-minute, I was looking for London highs to get taken, and then to target London lows. Now, what is the predicament here? Do you see any issues? Well, we actually took out the London low before we even opened NY session. So there's no real target. There's no real kind of context to the trade. If we already took out the London low, there's no Asian low. I guess we got previous day New York lows, which I guess we could maybe base our trade off of targeting down to the New York highs. But even if we were to have a clear target, we don't have a kind of clear draw. The clear draw for me would have been the London high. Maybe we had we had an hourly high with the London high. I don't think anything but 4 hour. 4 hours the Asian high. But looking just at the sessions, we had 1 hour highs with London high and then 4 hour highs with Asian highs. But did we ever end up coming up to those London highs or Asian highs? No. We didn't end up coming there. So there's no real context. There's no real reason for us to take a trade if we didn't take out the draw. Sure, you could say, oh, we got the NY low as a target. Oh, we got the even if London low was taken as a target, we still have NY lows to target. But what are we going to target when there's no draw? What are we going to enter off of? There's no real context to the trade. There's no story behind the trade. There's no real reason to take a trade if we didn't take a draw. Sure, we have the target, but that's only half of the part, half of the pie, pizza, half of the game. We still need to have an execution. We still need to find a draw. We still need to find context. There's only half of the story is fulfilled when we only got the target. We still need the other half. So that's why I'm not trying to take anything on that. Now GBPUSD 4 hours bearish as well. Oh my. 4 hours bearish. Closure below this. Closure below. Okay, so we broke structure to the downside, we broke structure to the upside, and we never confirmed back down. So we were bullish. We must have been bullish. We were bullish. We were not bearish, actually. That was my incorrect. I actually didn't really spend too much time charting up. But okay, so let's say that we were bullish. Because I think we are. At least we were. That's why I think we were. But hopping at 30-minute, we had London lows, we had Asian lows, and we had Asian highs. So now looking at the 5-minute, if we were bullish, we would have been looking up. Clearly, yeah? So if we're looking up, we're looking for lows to get taken. Okay, so we take out the London lows at 4:30, and then we also have the Asian lows, which were taken at around 5. So, sure, we have a reaction off these Asian lows. We break structure to the upside here. Am I entering off of a pre-market move? No, we're not doing that. We're not in the big 2020. I don't know. We're not I don't know. But we don't enter off of the pre-market. We're waiting for session to open. We're waiting until 6:20. 6:20 comes. Do we have any break structure to the upside after breaking structure to the downside here? No, we don't. We don't break structure here. We don't have any inverse value gaps to the upside. So why would we enter? There's no reason to enter. We confirmed bearish after breaking structure here. So we're looking for some confirmation to the upside. We don't get any confirmation. We just keep on falling. Trying to take a long off this would be trying to catch a falling knife. It's like how are you gonna catch the knife? The knives are going down. It's gonna make your arm cooked. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to catch a falling knife. You want to move away from a falling knife. So. Yeah. Okay. Now this is straight consolidation. This is straight accordion pattern. GBP JPY was bearish going into market open, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. We closed below this low. Inverse for value gap here. So here we are. It's 30-minute. We have the London highs and London lows. So if we're bearish, we're looking for lows to get. We're looking for highs to get taken to target the lows. Now, can you tell me what's wrong with this? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3 blinks. But anyways, what's wrong here? Well, it's very similar to Euro USD. We were bearish going into market open, but we took out these London lows. So that's the target. There's no target. So what are we going to do? We don't have any other lows. Sure, I guess we could say like shit, we got the London lows, I mean the New York lows from previous session, if they actually do count. Shit, we got like 6 a.m. Boom. Yeah, sure, we could say like, oh, we didn't take out the, actually no, we did, we took out both of those. I guess we could say this, but it's like I'm not trying to dig deep into the archives of the freaking markets. It should be clear. It shouldn't be fishing for setups. Gotta be patient, gotta wait for the ideal thing to happen. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is we took out the target, so what am I gonna do? I'm not gonna take a trade, because if the target's taken, then we're already missing part of the pie, if you will, the trading pie, the pie of trading. Like shit, we already took out the low, so half of the pie is missing. Now what else? We didn't even take out the high, so the other half is missing. So there's nothing really to take the trade off of if nothing's already working out. So that's just like, why would you take anything like that? You know what I'm saying? You just gotta like wait out for the next day. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Am I planning on trading anything? Probably not. So I'm turning 18 really soon, so I'm planning on like investing and stuff, because I got like, well, I mean, if you've been watching my 100k series, I got like 12k right now, or 11k. So gotta plan out how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get a credit card. Kind of excited. That's like the main thing I'm excited for turning 18. I don't really do birthday stuff, but okay. So tomorrow, Euro and JPY bank holiday. Yeah, we're not trading tomorrow. Maybe today I could have, but today nothing happened. Thursday, we're not doing that because there's a bank holiday for literally everything. Friday probably won't be a good day, so I'm estimating that the next trading day will be Monday. So I need to plan out how I'm going to do this. So today I'm going to upload this video. Tomorrow I'll upload that video, then the other one, and then okay. I don't even know what I was just thinking, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed my little rant on why we don't take trades, because we don't have a full pie. Green pie, just kidding, but I'll see you later. Goodbye.